Are there monsters inside you? Right now?
Every single high-performance factory generates waste. Broken machines, old parts, and toxic leftovers. If your cells didn't have a way to deal with this, the entire biological system would crash in a matter of hours. Welcome back to MinBiology. Today, we meet the monster, the lysosome. Visually, lysosomes look simple, just small spherical sacs drifting silently through the cytoplasm. But inside, they are packed with a highly specialized, lethal cocktail of over 40 different types of digestive enzymes. To make these enzymes work, the inside of a lysosome is kept fiercely acidic, with a pH of about 4.5. It is, quite literally, a microscopic stomach. This hyperacidic environment allows those enzymes to shred almost any biological molecule down into its basic building blocks. Its first major job is a process called autophagy, or self-eating. Think of this as the cell's internal recycling protocol. When an organelle, like a tired, worn-out mitochondria, stops working, the lysosome moves in. It swallows it whole, dissolves it, and releases the raw materials back into the cell to be reused. Nothing goes to waste. But lysosomes aren't just a cleanup crew. They are also the police force. Through a brutal defense mechanism called phagocytosis, they actively hunt down, trap, and digest foreign invaders, like deadly bacteria and viruses. It's frontline security and waste management rolled into one entity. If you're into computer science, the lysosome is the ultimate hardware-level garbage collector. It identifies objects that are no longer referenced by the system, purges the memory space, and keeps your body from leaking vital resources. But what happens when things go wrong? If a lysosome ruptures, it will literally start digesting the cell itself. In fact, when a cell is programmed to die, the lysosomes are given the order to trigger the self-destruct sequence.
It is a terrifyingly delicate balance
between life and total dissolution. The lysosome proves that in biology, nothing is ever truly trash. It's all just raw material, waiting for its next mission. In our next episode, we're heading straight to the cell's post office to see how all these finished products get packaged and shipped across the body. Don't forget to like and subscribe to MinBiology. See you at the Golgi!